This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Netflix in 2026. Follow these simple steps to ensure you complete your request correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Netflix account by entering your credentials on the Netflix website or app. Ensure you are using the account associated with the payouts. Step 2. Navigate to the payouts section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or payments section. Look for the option labeled Payouts or Earnings to find the relevant information. Step 3. Review your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Submit a payout request. Click on the option to request a payout. You may need to fill out a form or confirm your payment method. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Confirm and track your requests. After submitting your payout request, you should receive a confirmation notification. Keep track of your request status in the payout section to ensure it is processed. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Netflix. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix support for assistance.